I am absolutely confident that we can rely on the KDF and our security system to secure the sovereignty and territorial integrity of Kenya as mandated in the Constitution without any difficulty whatsoever. We will be decisive in stamping out banditry and neutralizing every bandit who denies or who defies the government and attempts any illegal or criminal acts. Every bandit must be brought to book. Every illegal gun surrendered willingly or by force, and every child must go back to school. I have directed the military to work with the Ministry of Education to rebuild all destroyed schools to allow children to go back to school. As we appreciate the Defense Forces and Security Services for their steadfast patriotism and commitment to the security of our country and safety of all citizens, let us also salute those gallant soldiers who paid the ultimate price in the line of duty. The best way we can demonstrate our appreciation is by supporting our security services, providing information that can assist them in doing their work and doing our share of community policing. Let us also live up to the aspirations of our fallen heroes by fulfilling our patriotic duty to enhance and deepen national unity, cohesion, and tolerance. Let your ethnic or religious diversity be your strength in serving Kenyans of all walks of life from every part of the country to the best of your ability and without fear or favor.